Chinese coins. Now watch very carefully. Okay. Take one Chinese coin. Hang it over here. Two. Hang it right here. And that's three. Hang it over here. It's like that. Now you can see it's gone. All three. Over here I actually had one. Here. There's two right over here. And the third one, sometimes it's hard to get. If I can get it, there it is. Now if I take the three coins like this, I'm just going to place it into my hand like this. See, I have the hook. The hook coin is actually, well, this is the hook. So there's the hook. Now if I take the hook, show you my hand's otherwise empty, right? Now I can actually just grab all the coins out of the air invisibly, and I can just hook them. Keep them hanging in the hook. So this is the idea for this routine. This is a very special routine. Alright, got an effect for you. So both sides of the handkerchief, okay? In my pocket here I have something. Bottle opener. Bottle opener. So it's a bottle production. Original effect that I want to show you here. Okay, I have a bottle. Okay, I take the bottle cap. I'm just going to set it down like this. I have the spectator hold on to the bottle. I put it in their hand, but I'll just use my hand here. I'm going to take the cap like this. Okay, I'm going to try and push it right inside the bottle. Okay, watch. Just like that. Isn't that amazing? Hello, you want to master the art of magic, not just learn tricks, not just learn one trick, but all the best magic. Welcome to Master Magic Membership, the world's greatest online magic course, created by me, Darren Martineau. I'm the protege of Alan Ackerman. Um, I know what it's like to struggle to learn the art of magic. For many years, I struggled um, as a beginner, and you struggle to learn from books with slow progress and with confusion. And I struggled for many years until I met my mentor, Alan Ackerman, who is one of the world's greatest card magicians. So if you're tired of piecing together video tutorials from random sources and stuck watching disjointed YouTube videos that don't teach correct or deep magic technique or magic structure, learning magic can feel overwhelming and lonely. And now if you add in advice from one of my mentors, Gary Darwin, in order to get a foundation in the art of magic, you'll need at least 50 of the classic magic books. And if you get them, they cost on an average of $50 for the good books, and that's a total of $2,500 just in magic books alone. Then for magic videos, that's about $30 per video. So if you get about 50 of those, that's another $1,500. That's a total of 4,000, and we don't even have magic props yet. So let's just say, as an example, you need 50 magic props, even though it depends on what you need, whether you want to do street magic or stage or whatever you want to do. But let's just say an example, you need 50 props that cost $50 each. That's another 2,500. So now you're at a total of $6,500. So what we offer you is a solution to save you a ton of time and a ton of money on learning the art of magic. With the Master Magic membership, it's just $20 a month, and you get access to thousands of our exclusive instructional magic videos with new original magic And we also give you a solid foundation in the classic books. You'll get hundreds of the classic books. So you're going to learn. You're going to get instant access to thousands of instructional videos and books from card magic, coin magic, close-up, stage magic, mentalism, and much more. So if you're ready to learn the art of magic and learn it correctly, click on the link now and join Master Magic membership. Thank you.